What's going on, everybody? This is Herb, and this is a half-ass vegan takeover. You know, I was requested by Deanna to come and show one of my specialties in my household and show you how to use bananas like these. You know, when they get to this point, when they're all, you know, on their way out. I hate a mushy banana like I hate a mushy apple, but you don't have to throw them away. I'm gonna show you how to use these in a smoothie. It's like a threefold ingredients. So watch. Now, these are rock solid, hard. Okay? And what you're gonna do, what we're gonna end up doing is blending them up with some almond milk, agave, cinnamon, and peanut butter. 4 ingredients. 4. That's a good way to make sure, so you can turn this into this. And this boy is outstanding.